Welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen, and we wish you good health and well-being today. We are making an ice cream recipe. We will make one version with orange using lemon juice and another version with strawberry using the same ingredients, so we will make two types of ice cream. Here I have 800 milliliters of fresh cream that is sweet, and I also have 240 milliliters of unsweetened condensed milk. Because my fresh cream is already sweet, I use unsweetened condensed milk, but you can reverse it depending on what you have. I will add the fresh cream, then I will add the condensed milk that I placed in the freezer until it becomes semi-frozen so it is not liquid. I mix the condensed milk with the cream until combined. Then I divide the mixture into two equal parts. One part will stay plain, and the other part will receive about 120 milliliters of orange juice. I start mixing the orange version. This is the texture we need to obtain. I add the flavoring, which also gives color. Half a spoon is enough. I mix from top to bottom to get an even color and taste. Then I separate the mixture into two parts. I remove one portion and keep it aside. The other portion will receive the strawberry mixture. Now I start working on the second base with fresh cream and milk until I get the right texture. This is the texture we need to obtain. I take 100 grams of strawberries that I'd blended. I mix them well. I add strawberry coloring, which is optional and only used for color and taste. I continue mixing until the color becomes even. I adjust until I reach the desired color and taste. I add a little more to improve the color. I continue mixing until I reach the final color. Now I have the color I wanted. Now I will prepare the second part and come back. I return to prepare the remaining mixture. I continue with the cream mixture. I prepare the final base for the strawberry version. This is the texture we need to obtain. I take 100 grams of strawberries. I blend them well. Then I mix them. I add strawberry flavor and color, which is optional. It is not necessary and only used for color and taste. If you do not want it, you can skip it. This is how we get the final color and mixture. I use a spoon filled with flavor and color. Then I mix everything again. I prepare to transfer the mixture into containers for freezing. I mix everything evenly. I pour the mixture into the freezer containers. I fill the containers. This is a large quantity. I pour the orange mixture into the second container. I cover them with plastic film and place them in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours. Then we get the final result. After 10 hours, I prepared it at night, and now in the morning I take it out. To finish the video, I remove the plastic film. Look at the texture. I have 2 containers, one strawberry and one orange. This is the quantity prepared. You can see the result. Now I will serve them in glasses and show the final result. I serve them now. This is the final form of the ice cream. This is the orange version decorated like this. This is the strawberry version. And this is a mix of lemon and strawberry. I hope you liked this recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for new recipes. See you in the next video.